So guys, we're going to create a object and we're going to edit the object. So we're going to left click, left click, hit the delete key, left click again. We're going to create one of these objects in this layout. So we're going to create, let's see, we're going to create this cylinder and we're going to put it on the middle of the grid location. So we're going to hit the plus sign, we're going to hit 0 on X, 0 on Y, and 0 on Z. And there you go, it's right in the middle of the grid. You can actually hit 1 so it's above the grid exactly, and there you go. So we're going to use the edit mode. The edit mode, you can find it here on this tab, and if you want to switch between edit mode faster, you can hit the tab key, and there you go. So what do you do in edit mode? Basically, you are going to edit the faces, the vertices, and the edges. How do you interchange or interact individually with those geometries? So you just right click, and you don't have to leave it pressed or anything like in other softwares. Just press it and you can select vertices, edges, or faces. So we're going to hit left click to what selection that we want. So we're going to pretty much use our translating tools that are W, E, and R, and we're going to create something along the way. Maybe a trash can. Let's see. So we're going to create a trash can, and pretty much we're going to use the W key. We're going to place it up a little bit, maybe there, and we're going to edit the object by extruding. So we're going to place it on the default axis. So we're going to press 0, Z, X, Y, and there you go. It will go back to the center of where it was. Now we're going to scale it. So you can rotate until the y-axis is not visible. So you can click and drag on the white ring. There you go. Now if you move it, you will see that it's not doing a clean edit. So what you're going to do is extrude. If you want to extrude in like hotkey, you can press Alt and X and pretty much drag your mouse down to the desired location. You can keep editing. If you go too much, it will go through. You don't want to go through, you just want it right there. So pretty much there's an object and you're going to edit every single object and give it form by extruding and using your translating tools. So what if you want to do a smooth edge to your trash can or trash bin? So we're going to right click on the edge. We're going to press Shift and Alt and left click, and it will edge loop select. We're going to do that twice on each edge. We're going to mesh, edge, bevel. There you go. Just if you want to deselect or end your editing by dragging your mouse, you want to manually edit your settings, then you can go down here and pretty much edit your edge bevels. If you want to do it by percent, depth, width, or offset. In my case, I will do it on offset. How many segments you want, you can press here and go to 5 or as a liking. The maximum is 8 if you click and drag it. If you put a number, it will exceed the 8th number. So we're going to go with 5. There you go. There's a smooth trash can, and there you go. Maybe you want it to be more of an angle on the bottom, so we're going to edge loop again, and we're going to edge loop inside, and we're going to scale it. We're going to rotate up, and we're going to scale it. If you don't like the size, well, you can actually view on multiple views at the same time by clicking the spacebar. So the spacebar will help you with scaling and pretty much everything with ease and more precise. But if you want to use maximum creativity, this is the way to go on perspective. So that's what we want. We're going to right click, and there we go. We have a little cute trash can. So if there's some faces that are missing on this trash can, let me put like 3, and there you go. They're missing 3 trash cans. If you want to delete a face, you will click delete and face. It will delete the selected face. So we're going to click on the edge, click on the other edge, and we'll be making an edge and face. So we're going to click on that, and there you go. So you're going to click individually the faces and creating faces and edges. If you want to do the hotkey, you can click Alt and F, and there you go. So that is pretty much how do you create and edit in Blender with the basics in Blender. So see you on the next one. Go crazy, go creative, do your thing. So see you later.